Welcome to the WorkDone Invoice Agent Processing demo. You'll see a customer processing invoices before using WorkDone's Invoice Agent and after. The benefits will be very clear. This is Rose. She processes invoices for her company, Acme Widgets, as part of her daily routine. She averages 300 invoices a month. Her method is manual, complex, and tedious. Invoices come in to Acme Widgets two different ways, either by email or through regular mail. In either instance, the process is very much the same for Rose. After opening the invoice, she logs into Acme Widgets' ERP system and finds a screen for processing invoices. Then, she searches within the system for an existing purchase order. Next, Rose compares the invoice against the purchase order, including validating every line item contained in the invoice. Next, she attaches a copy of the original invoice to the ERP record, either by copying and pasting the email attachment into the ERP or scanning in a copy of the original and attaching it to the record. Finally, Rose submits the bill for processing. Depending on the total cost of the invoice, she may have to ask for approval on the bill and have her supervisor manually go into the ERP, review the bill, and submit for approval. Depending on the complexity of the bills, Rose may spend as much as 50 hours a month processing invoices. As a valued employee in Acme Widgets' finance department, her time could be much more productive. After using WorkDone's invoice processing agent, invoices still come to Rose the same way, but processing the invoice is more automated with less time spent and less opportunity for errors. When an invoice comes to Rose now, it can be automatically extracted from an email, or she can simply take a picture of the invoice using her WorkDone mobile capture app on her Apple or Android device. WorkDone's process automation platform sees the incoming invoice and initiates the WorkDone Invoice Agent, extracting information from the invoice, performing a comparison with the PO, and then creating a new billing record, as well as attaching the original invoice to the record. All this happens in the background. Rose receives an email telling her when this process is complete. After using WorkDone's Invoice Agent, there is significantly less human involvement and the entire process takes less time. Also, when the invoice is delivered via email instead of standard mail, the process is even more automated since the agent can extract the incoming invoice from an inbox and initiate processing the bill automatically. Rose now spends on average 20 hours a month processing invoices rather than the 50 hours it used to take before using the agent. This adds up to about $1,000 less in operational costs per employee for Acme Widgets and frees up their time for more valuable activities. The WorkDone Invoice Agent saved the Acme Widget Company over 60% of a valuable employee's time by automating a very human-intensive process, allowing Rose to work on higher-value finance activities. Overall, Acme Widget's operational costs have gone down while the accuracy of processing bills has gone up. Simultaneously, WorkDone's expertise capture is monitoring the processing of the bills and learning from any additional actions Rose may be doing as part of paying an invoice. This enables constant improvement of agent effectiveness, refining an already automated activity, and capturing any additional institutional knowledge for Acme Widgets.